What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Best of Hackingtons, episode 180. We're going to be taking a look at the coolest projects that you guys have been building this week, and don't forget about all the free stuff that we're doing in the morning. That's right, we're giving away free video games, we're giving away free concert tickets, we're giving away free tickets to Disneyland. Just kidding, we offer some free clubs that you could join, like Scratch and Python and Unity and HTML, and also on Fridays, Fun Friday, I stream Minecraft.
Why the salmon? Why? It's in my ears. It's in my ears.
And this Friday, we're doing something special. So make sure you tune in at 10 a.m., log into Hackingtons, click that Fun Friday button. It's gonna be a blast. I'm really excited about it. And also, we have Roblox streaming as well if you don't have Minecraft. That was a really long intro. Let's look at projects. First up, we have Ishan M's Bowling Bonanza. This game is gorgeous. I mean, just listen to that music. That is awesome. We've got an awesome start menu here. Let's go ahead and start the game. I know how to bowl. I know all of the controls. Absolutely, I know the controls. So I go, 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 go. So, not a strike. Did we expect a strike from me? Because I didn't get one. But that camera move is awesome. The controls here are incredible. The pins look great. The fact that you actually have, oh, can I move and aim at the same time? I can't. That's awesome, Ishan. Just very impressive game all the way around. Let's see if I can actually get a strike here. So hit R to restart, and I'm just gonna mash the space bar. Boo, come at me, bro. Let's go, strike, come on. And next up, in the blue corner, we have Raina V's Incredible Cupcakery. And in the red corner, we have Reva V's, her sister, that's right, battling siblings with another cupcake shop. Both of these cupcake shops are incredible. These cupcakes look so good and the layout is awesome. And this one is no slouch either. Look at these websites. The fact that you are sisters, you must have some weird brain link thing going on. These are so good. I'm super impressed. I can just imagine you guys setting up your cupcake shops right across the street from each other, and every day at 3 o'clock, there's a cupcake war in the street. There's babies crying, there's frosting all over the place. It's a beautiful sight. Awesome job, you two. And lastly, we have Keaton Ease, and this is a MadLib Python project. Let's zoom in so that you guys can read like you're 600 years old. Okay, who is the person that you idol? Who is my idol? Who's the cringiest person on the internet? That's already me, right? Let's go with Bill Gates. Why do I idol him? I want his money. Where's your favorite place to go with your family? That would be the sewer. What is your favorite sport? I really, really like badminton. Not true, but that's what I wrote. What's your favorite noise? Let's go with farts. Ooh, one scary night, you and Bill Gates snuck out of your house and drove to the sewer. You and Bill Gates played badminton, but out of nowhere, you hear the noise farts. Wait, what was that? Was that a monster? Said Bill Gates. Time to wake up, honey, said your mom. That was a weird ending. All right, all right. Awesome job, Keaton, though. I really like this MadLib. Great way to twist it up and not just make it exactly what I did in the video. Cool. And that's it for the Best of Hackingtons. Don't forget Fun Friday this Friday and all of the free stuff we offer in the morning. If you're not logging into hackingtons.io at 10 a.m. every day, what are you doing with your life?